You've probably noticed it everywhere in supplements, teas, powders, even fancy lattes at health cafes. Ashwagandha. It's been called the king of Ayurvedic herbs, a natural stress booster, an ancient root with modern science behind it. But here's the thing: when it comes to anxiety and distress, ashwagandha can truly help, if you know how to take it safely. Let's rewind for a moment. Picture India, thousands of years ago. In the traditional system of Ayurveda, healers looked at the human body not as separate parts, but as a whole: mind, body, and the spirit. And one of their most trusted allies was ashwagandha. Its Sanskrit name means smell of the horse, because it was believed to give the strength and the stamina of a horse. For centuries, it was prescribed to warriors, kings, and the everyday people alike to boost resilience, sharpen focus, and calm the restless mind. Fast forward to today. Modern life is flooded with stress. Anxiety disorders affect millions of people worldwide. Sleepless nights, racing thoughts, that feeling of being always on. And that's where this ancient herb has found a new role. Scientists now classify ashwagandha as an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps your body adapt to stress, whether physical, mental, or emotional. But how does it actually work? Inside ashwagandha are active compounds called vithanolides. These help regulate cortisol, your body's mind stress hormone. When cortisol runs too high for too long, you feel anxious, your sleep suffers, your weight changes, and even your heart health takes a hit. Studies have shown that ashwagandha can help lower cortisol levels by as much as 30%. That's huge. It's like turning down the body's internal alarm system. Now imagine this in real life. Someone who has been tossing and turning for weeks because of work stress starts taking ashwagandha in the evening. Within days, their sleep feels deeper. Within weeks, they notice they're not snapping as much at family or coworkers. Their brain feels a little clearer. That's the quiet power of this root. It doesn't sedate you like a pill. It helps your body return to balance. But here's the important part: how you take it makes all the difference. The safest and the most effective forms are standardized extracts, usually in capsule or powder form with vithanolide content clearly listed. A common safe dose for stress support is around 300 to 600 mg per day, often split between morning and the evening. Taking it with food helps absorption and reduces any chance of stomach upset. Some people prefer the traditional way, mixing teaspoon of the powdered root into warm milk with a little honey before bed. This bedtime tonic has been used for centuries to quiet the mind and promote restful sleep. Others may add it to smoothies or tea. The form doesn't matter as much as the quality. Look for organic, well-tested brands. Now, here's the caution: just because it's natural doesn't mean it's for everyone. Pregnant women, people with autoimmune conditions, or those on thyroid or blood pressure medications should be extra careful. Ashwagandha can interact with these situations. And while rare, some people do experience side effects like stomach upset or drowsiness. That's why starting low and observing your body's response is the smart move. What is beautiful about ashwagandha is that it is not just about fighting anxiety in the moment. Over time, it helps build resilience. You don't just calm down temporarily, you recover your ability to handle stress without collapsing under it. Think of it like training your nervous system to stay steady, even when life throws storms at you. And when you combine ashwagandha with other simple habits like mindful breathing, regular exercise, or reducing caffeine, the results can feel transformative. It's not a magic bullet, but it is a powerful tool in a toolkit for calmer, stronger living. So the next time stress starts to feel overwhelming, remember, solutions don't always come from the latest pill or trendy gadget. Sometimes, they come from the roots of a plant that's been trusted for thousands of years. Ashwagandha isn't just a supplement. It's an invitation to restore balance, calm your anxious mind, and rebuild resilience in a world that constantly tests it. And here is the real secret: the safest way to use it isn't to overdo it, but to take it consistently, gently, as part of a lifestyle that honors your body. That is how you get the best of both worlds: ancient wisdom and the modern science working together to give you peace of mind.